Hello, Highlands community. My name is Ryan Sheehy, and I'm your principal here at Highlands Elementary School. And welcome to our virtual open house. I know that the 2020-2021 school year has not been the year that you had dreamt of when you found out that you were going to have a child. I know that the 2020-2021 school year has not been as smooth as everybody had wanted. But I want to say thank you. Thank you for partnering with our school in the education of your child or your children here at Highlands. That partnership is what makes Highlands special. When I became the principal here at Highlands over 5 years ago, that is something that drew me to this school. We have a large PTA. We have a wonderful parent community that pitches in and helps whenever there is a need. We started off this year in 100% distance learning, in some type of shelter in place, whatever it may be. We continued to learn. Our teachers and our staff continued to teach. Our parents and our community helped our students log on, help them work, help them push back whatever roadblocks were in their way. We moved from 100% distance learning into some type of hybrid model. I know that there's a lot of different feelings about maybe we should be in school more, maybe we should be in school less. However, we brought students back onto our campus in the afternoon for continued learning support, while also maintaining the distance learning in the morning. 2020-2021 has taught me and renewed my passion to create the home-to-school relationship, to foster that relationship, for me to continue helping you be partners with us in the education of your child. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you enjoy going through, clicking the different grade levels, and watching the videos that our amazing staff have created to give you a little bit more of a glimpse into their classroom, because obviously you do get to see what's happening in our classes each and every day. And as always, remember to fly the Hawk way and have a great day.